Welcome back to our JavaScript course on Codecademy. We're in the variables section. This is string concatenation with variables. In previous exercises, we assigned strings to variables. Now let's go over how to connect or concatenate strings and variables. So the word concatenate just means to connect. The plus operator can be used to combine two string values even if those values are being stored in variables. Let my pet be assigned armadillo. We console.log, I own a pet, space, plus my pet, plus, and then period at the end. We'll output, I own a pet armadillo. In the example above, we assign the value armadillo to the my pet variable. On the second line, the plus operator is used to combine three strings, I own a pet, the value saved to my pet, and a period. We log the results of this concatenation to the console as I own a pet armadillo. So create a variable named favorite animal and set it equal to your favorite animal. Here we go. Let favorite animal be assigned dog. And let's run that. We passed the first one. Use console.log to print my favorite animal to the console. Use string concatenation so that animal is replaced with the value in your favorite animal variable. So we go here, console log, and within console log, we're going to do my favorite animal, and then it's going to be the animal that we choose, so we'll put a space there, and then we're going to do right after that, do a plus sign, and do my or favorite animal. Let's try it by running it and see what we get. My favorite animal, dog. We did pass that. So all that we're learning in this one is concatenation, and concatenation allows us to connect or combine two strings. That's what we did here. We have the string my favorite animal, and then we have the string dog, and we use concatenation by adding the strings together or concatenating them, connecting them, and our result is here, my favorite animal, dog. If you guys are getting that, you guys got this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.